Hey there, Fletch from All Things Overlanding here. On today's super quick video, this is kind of a follow-up to my original Eonon video, which I'll link to up here. They kind of talked about the 10.1-inch 2021 updated Android head unit that I just put in my new Frontier. These, for me, they're double DIN head units. They're pretty universal. If you know basic wiring, they're really easy to install. I've had two of these units now. The one that I have now is the faster one with a little bit more RAM, and I love it. So there will be a link in the description down below to that as well. Make sure to check out, though, under the title of the radio, there's a thing that says promotions, and that's how you can get a free dash cam, a free backup cam, and a free OBD2 reader to read codes and stuff in your vehicle right on your head unit. So again, that's where this video is coming from. I made the video about the head unit, talked about those promotional things and how cool they are, but then once I got into it, there was a little bit of trickery going on, and I was having some trouble connecting the OBD reader. There'll be a tag up here to that video where I show you how to do that really super easy and quick. And on this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to connect the R0015 Dash Cam to the head unit. Again, I was having all kinds of trouble. I'm like, I can't find this thing. The instructions that come with it aren't the best. So I just figured a quick little video would help, anybody that's trying to do this same thing. So let's get into that. All Things Overlanding is brought to you by some fantastic companies. You should definitely check out the description and click through their links to see all the awesome stuff they offer. Companies like Red Arc for all your overlanding power management needs. Last US Bag, tons of amazing quality overlanding bags. Rugged Bound Supply Company, rooftop tents, awnings, roof racks, and more. The More Expo 2022, get your tickets below. And Northology Overland, guided overlanding trips and a free overlanding magazine. All right, guys, so this is the dash cam, the R0015 dash cam that comes for free if you click on the promotions thing when you buy an Eonon 10.1-inch or whatever. I think most of the Eonon radios, you can get this promotion. So this is the one that comes with it. It's got 3M built into the back of it. I'm going to use a heat gun on it just to make sure that I get a really good seal on this on the glass. Basically, the way this works is you would, mount this up behind your mirror up there and stick it to the windshield when you're ready to mount it. I just wanted to get it all hooked up and connected to the head unit just to make sure everything was working before I did that. So anyways, I'm going to show you how to connect this thing because, again, I was having some trouble and I just want to make it easy on you guys. One important thing is you do have to provide your own memory card here. So I threw in a 64 gig one that I had. The reason for that is here's how you connect it. When you go into your radio, you want to look for something called File Manager. When you click on that, basically what it's going to do is it's going to look around and it's going to see what is plugged into it. So there is a place behind the head unit back here, or behind the screen in the head unit, for a micro SD card that you can insert. There's also USB options, right? So I have plugged in my dash cam through one of the provided USB cords that go into the back of the radio. So that all feeds down into there to that USB, and then I plan to run it up through the dash and up to the back of the mirror here. That's the plan. But so when you click on this USB 2.2 that shows this one thing plugged in there, you're going to see UCAR DVR APK. That is the dash cam. So again, if you don't have the card in there, then you come in here and it doesn't see it. But so once you put the card in there, you come in here, you click on that. It's going to ask you if you want to install it. So it says, for your security, the tab is not allowed to install unknown apps from this source. I'm going to hit settings. I'm going to hit allow from this source. I'm going to go back, and then it says, do you want to install it? I'm going to say yes, and then boom, it's installing. Give it a couple seconds here. App installed. So now all I have to do is hit done, or I could hit open too, right? So if you want to see it, got to grant it permission. It's like you can see it's sitting in my in my seat right now, right? So just allow everything so that it can go, hit back. I mean, and it's great quality. Like, I'm actually really impressed with the quality of the video. So if you put it up here and kind of hold it up, you'll kind of get an idea of the view. So, you want to sort of put it where you want it first, and then make sure that you like the angle and the view and everything, turn it the way you want it, and then adhere it to the window up there. But it's, for free, it's really pretty cool. And I think it just automatically records in a loop, and then you can access it through the radio and stuff too, which is pretty nice. So anyways, guys, that was the install of the dash cam for the Eonon head units. Again, I hope that was helpful. I tried to keep it as short as possible and just get you the information without too much talking. But if you made it this far, I appreciate it. If you got value out of the video, if it helped you, click that like button. If you're not already, click that subscribe button and the bell to be notified when new videos drop. I do a ton of stuff like this. I've had a couple Eonon head units. I really like them. I do a lot of do-it-yourself mods. I've done audio modifications to my truck. I'm doing overlanding builds and stuff like that. So definitely tons of content here around that kind of stuff. So if that's something you're interested in, camping, overlanding, modifications, do-it-yourself things, definitely click that subscribe button. Also in the description down below are links to everything, the Eonon head unit, this dash cam, instructions kind of for how to get it for free with a head unit when you buy one. And so hopefully that's helpful. So definitely check those out. Also links to Facebook, Instagram, podcast. I do a ton of different content around overlanding and modifications and car stuff. So if that's something you're interested in, definitely check those out. But so again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.